As business continues to evolve and dealerships continue to adjust to the changes that both technology and the millennials bring to their stores, it's important to consider the impact it will have both on your parts department and those you have staffing the department. Hi, I'm Bob Clements, and if you're ready to rethink how your parts department is going to need to change over the next 5 to 10 years, you're going to want to join me at this year's GIE+Expo as we look at how software, storage cabinets, and parts counters are going to help you gain more profit and a better customer experience with less people. In the future, no one's going to wait in line behind a parts counter covered in junk. This is a new world coming for parts departments, and now is the time to begin planning to take advantage of the future. I look forward to having you join me as we look at the parts departments of the future.